Okay, here we are, guys. First Palantir update of the year. We're going to break down the charts, my thoughts, the whole 9 yards. You guys know the drill. And we're going to briefly cover a crazy price target that I saw recently on this stock. So, guys, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe and get your free stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account, deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks, and overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, cheers to that. That's a no-brainer. Use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/moomoo. And now let's get into it. So what time is it, guys? I'm losing track of time. It's about 3:30 p.m. on the East Coast, and we have Palantir now almost at break even, down about 0.6% after being down earlier in the day. Let's just say, guys, a lot more than that. I think at one point we were down like 5%, maybe more. Let's see here, guys. Yeah, about 4 or 5% on the low, which we hit $72.42 earlier in the day. And clearly, guys, since that point, we've rallied, right? We've recovered. Now we're about to go green, potentially. We only have 30 minutes left of trading, but it looks like that's where Palantir is trending, right? You guys can see now we're at $75 per share. We have a golden cross on the intraday chart here. We're above both moving averages, so this looks really good. It looks good in the short term, that is, on the intraday chart, but as you peel the layers back, you're like, wait a second, this thing's still selling off. And yes, it's still in a downtrend on this 5-day, 5-minute. In fact, today, this morning, we took out the lows from the last trading day here, right? And, well, we hit a low on this 5-day, 5-minute. And even now that we're rallying, we're still technically at a lower high, and we're still in this downtrend, guys. Now, if Palantir breaks out and starts doing something like this, we start breaking 77, 77.50, 78. All right, at that point, maybe a bigger reversal is on the horizon, but right now we're still in, bearish territory on the 5-day, 5-minute. I think on the 30-minute chart as well. Yeah, now we're under both moving averages. We have been for a couple of days. We have a death cross on this time frame, and we're a couple bucks away from the lows from the middle end of December. So, guys, at this point, we're still getting a healthy pullback on Palantir, right? That's what all these charts are pointing to, even on the 1-hour chart. Yes, we do have a death cross. Yes, we are under both moving averages on this time frame. But, guys, look, we are still holding an uptrend. Are we not? Are we not holding this channel? We are. It looks pretty good still on the 1-hour chart. And on the 4-hour chart, it looks even better, guys. As I'm sure you've seen, we're still holding an uptrend on this time frame. We're above the 180 SMA. Now, actually, we're right at it. We held it earlier today. Buyers came in at about 71, 72 bucks this morning, which puts us right at that 180 moving average on the 4-hour chart. So all signs are pointing to the uptrend continuing. We're not fully getting a pop yet, the confirmation of a rebound off the moving average yet. We're not fully getting a big breakout or a pop yet, but it could be coming over the next couple of days. And guys, for me, I'm long Palantir. I've owned the stock now for a little bit. My average cost is at $21. So for me to add more to this, I'd love to buy more, but I'm going to need to see it in the 60s. If this thing dips down towards the 60s, somehow back into the 50s, I'll definitely be buying more at that point. But here in the low mid 70s, for me, considering where my average cost is, it's a hold for me. It's a hold right now. And, maybe I'll trade it in my trading account as a swing trade if we get the pop off this moving average, which I'm watching and waiting for very patiently at this point. So that's PLTR on the charts. we're down about $10 from all-time highs. Nothing too crazy, guys. About 12, 13%, slightly in correction territory. Nothing too crazy. And guys, take a look at this price target. You know, I've never heard of this guy, I'll be honest, but there was a guy on CNBC recently, it looks like. Actually, wait, was this? This might have not been CNBC on second thought. Wait, yeah, I don't think it's CNBC. Maybe you guys can tell me in the comments, but let me pull this up. This is on Reddit right here, but we saw, or I saw this earlier today. I'm sure some of you guys might have seen it already, but it's on the Palantir Reddit, I believe. Yeah, and this guy right here, James Demert. Maybe I'm saying that right, maybe not. Either way, James Demert, shout out to you, my friend. Main Street Research, he's saying that Palantir will be $135. You heard that right. 2025 price target, $135, which right now we're at 75. And the market cap is like 150, 60 billion. So that implies a ton of growth, right? If it goes to 135 a share, guys, market cap is going to be, well into the 300 billion plus range, wherever that's at. But yeah, big, price target there. Probably the highest one. I'm trying to think. Definitely for me. I mean, yeah, I think definitely for me, the highest one I've seen. But yeah, man, did you guys see this? James Demert, Main Street Research, $135 price target. And it says here a couple points. Palantir is a great example of second derivative AI companies, and Palantir will continue to see AI be accretive to earnings in 2025. So, yeah, there you have it, guys. Nothing too much more to say than that, but interesting there. $135 price target from that analyst. And overall, guys, for numbers, if we're looking at the current quarter, they are reporting earnings in a couple of weeks here. So for the current quarter, Q4, based on 16 analysts, on average, they're expected to do 11 cents EPS versus 8 cents a year ago, with the low estimate being 10 cents and the high estimate being 12 cents. Not bad, not bad. Versus that 8 cents from last year. And for the entire year, average EPS for the whole year is 38 cents versus 25 cents from last year. And for revenue, guys, based on 15 analysts, the average estimate for the quarter is $776 million, up 27, almost 28% from last year's $608 million. Pretty good projection. And the high estimate is $821 million. The low is $768. Not bad. And for the current year, guys, Palantir is projected $2.79 billion of revenue on average versus $2.23 from last year, up 25% year over year. So not bad, not bad. Next quarter, guys, is going to be big, or not next quarter, but the quarter they're going to report for, because not only do we get Q4's numbers, but we also get the picture for the entire year. And we're going to get more insights, hopefully, in the conference call on guidance, how 2025 is looking, the outlook, and so forth, which I'm super excited about for Palantir. So what do you guys think? I mean, this stock looks like it's really good on the charts. Fundamentally, it's still very intact, obviously. And it looks like buyers are just waiting to pick it up on the dip, right? We just have to wait for the confirmation. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Make sure to subscribe, join the free email list. I send out my top 3 stocks every Monday right to your email for free. And if you guys have not gotten your free stocks yet for Moomoo, check out the link down below. Deposit at least $100 once you open up your account. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, it's a no-brainer. So use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.